And 5 years I am seeing myself. I am 5 years I see myself graduate with honors and team working as a supervisor in a good company with a great salary. If we be searching more, I will also be adding healthier. I will definitely stop drying and will start hydrating better. I am going to take better care of my health, be going to all the necessary regular health checks. I am going to work on improving my self habit, be engaging in calming activities before big such as reading, listening to soothing music, taking and walk back or practicing deep breathing and progressive muscle relaxation. I am going to focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. I will avoid highly processed food in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. I'm going to improve all my habits and my life the best way possible.